Hey guys, today I want to show how to create a border. So, for example, if you want to create a border with this text, need to write. So this will be a paragraph. So this is a paragraph. So in the CSS file, need to write uh, if you want in the paragraph a border. So the border style, and it has a many option. For example, it will be a dotted, and if you refresh this, so here here is here is border, and you can change color. For example, to the red. So and this text color will change. So for example, it has a solid border, and for example, it has a double. So the double are the double border, and so the solid is a solid border. It has a dash border, and for example, it has a graph border. So the graph border defines a 3D graph border. So the effect depends on the border color value. Yeah, so if you change this to ridge, yeah, and for example, the inset, and it has a outset border. Yeah, and it has so the node is defines, so the no border, and the hidden is defines hidden browser. So if you want to mix this, um, so the border style property can have uh, from 1 to 4 values. For example, for the top border, for the right and the bottom and the left border. So here need to write, for example, if you want a solid and a ridge, so solid and a double and ridge and dotted border, and here will be, so the solid is the top, the double will be the right here, ridge will be the bottom, and the dotted will be the left. So thank you for watching, and see you later.